Mark Golding, born here, married to a black Jamaican woman. Yeah? That many brown man would marry to. Because we love with browning. Yeah? He married a black Jamaican woman. Yes? Don't do it.
We are, as all the while, we are descendants of the slaves. We don't want the descendant slave master to rule us again. We don't want it. In 1838, we threw up the chain, and then got trench town and lift up chain and shake chain again. For what? For put me in a chain again? You know what happen? Jamaicans are so stupid. What we need to do, put him back on the banana boat and send him back to England.
You know what was also said from the platform that I think we should not encourage? What Mr. Warmington said.